Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Health and Beauty Remedies. Today in this video I am sharing with you how to straighten hair at home and to do hair keratin treatment at home. You have done hair rebonding and hair straightening at home before. Now you can try this at home and get straight and silky hair with all natural ingredients. Rice cream remedy is super effective and gives 100% effective result on all types of hair. Rice water makes hair straight and smoother, increase shine, makes hair stronger and helps to grow hair long. Women in China, Japan and Southeast Asia have used rice water in hair treatment for a century. Using rice water to straighten and beautiful hair isn't new. It dates back to the ancient Heian period in Japan when crude ladies were known to have beautiful long hair that dropped to the floor. Their secret was rice water. Now let's get started. Take 1/4 cup of any types of rice. Regular use of rice cream has many benefits for hair. It helps to remove dandruff and hair fall, stimulate their growth, and significantly improve their appearance. Rice cream also contains amino acids, vitamin B, vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants, which are very useful to grow new hair. After wash rice properly, now you have to take a pan, add rice and half cup of water in it. Now put it on the flame and cook it until begins thick and mushy. Now pour cooked ingredients in the blender jar, blend until get smooth paste. Now you have to strain this overcome spice with the help of strainer and take out all the ice paste out of it. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which makes your hair strong and prevents hair fall. Massaging regularly with olive oil can also fix the problem of split ends. Now add vitamin E capsule 2 pieces. Vitamin E ritual works wonderfully both to reduce hair fall and stimulate hair growth. After mix well, our hair remedy is ready to apply. Now apply on the upper section up to the tips of your hair. Make sure to spread it evenly. Leave it for few minutes. Rinse the hair with normal water. Enjoy your straight, smoother, shiner and longer hair. Try it out for yourself and you will be amazed, ladies. You have to use these masks at least 3 to 4 times a month to achieve straight hair. It is very important to take care of your hair because it's truly our crowning glory. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For now, bye bye, take care, be happy, keep happy.